Hello friends, a very good morning to all of you. I am your host Shrikant Bhardwaj and welcome you all in Bhardwaj classes. Welcome you all in the lecture 1. So today's topic is the numbers in German language. Okay, the numbers in German. How we will be going to pronounce numbers in German language. We will be learning this with a very simple trick. Okay, so we will be doing from 0 to 100, that how we can write, how we can pronounce the numbers system in German language. Okay, let's get started. So here we have got 0. 0 means null. Okay, 0 in German language known as null. 1 means eins. 2 means zwei. 3 means drei. 4 vier, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12. Remember this thing. Now it is just a introductory part. Okay. Die Zahl, die Zahlen. Okay. Unlike English language, German, it has got der, die, das. Okay, der, die, das. Remember, I am writing here der, die, and das. Okay, der, it is used for masculine. Der is used for masculine. Die is used for feminine, and das is used for neutral. If you all remember, English language में we have got it for भी आपकी non living things हैं, they all are considered to be neutral in your English language, but in German it is not so. In German language, non-living things, they have also got genders. Okay, so they can be masculine, feminine, neutral. So we can have der, die, das. Now I am saying die Zahl. Zahl here means number. Zahlen means numbers. Here Zahl means number. Zahlen means numbers. So Zahl is singular and Zahlen is plural. Remember that whenever in German language any word starts with Z, it is pronounced to be as S. Okay, sa, that is Hindi hota na, sa. So it is not Zahlen, it is not Zahlen, it is Zahl, and here Zahlen. So here Z is pronounced as S. Okay, and similarly, this S, like you have got now these two words, Sechs and Sieben. If initial letters, initial alphabet, we are having S, we will pronounce it as Z. Remember, it is a point to be noted that whenever in a word, German language, any word starting with Z, you will pronounce it as S. And if it is S, you will pronounce it as Z. Example, die Zahl, die Zahlen. Similarly, sechs, sieben. Okay, and here we are saying die Zahl, die Zahlen. Okay, so die here is for feminine. Remember this thing that we are giving der, die, das as per the masculine, feminine, neutral, but these articles, they are only for singulars. These articles, they are only for singulars. Remember this thing, these articles, they are for singular. If you have got any plural word in German, then it is always die. It is always die. Okay, remember this thing, that in German language for the singular article may get changed. It may be der, die or das based on their gender. Either they are masculine, feminine, neutral. ठीक है? But when we talk about the plurals, then it is the. That's why we are saying the sal. It means the number here is treated as feminine. But salen, with salen we have to use the. Why? Because it's a plural. Okay? So all of you, once again, let us start. 0, null. 0, null. 1, eins. 2, zwei. 3, drei. 4, vier. 5, fünf. 5, fünf. 6, sechs. 6, sechs. 7, sieben. 7, sieben. 8, acht. 8, acht. 9, neun. 10, zehn. 11, elf. 12, solve. Please note it down. So let us start now from 13 to 12. अभी just we have learned from the numbers 0 to 12. Okay? After 12 we will be moving to 13 to 20. 13, it can be written as 3 plus 10. Okay? जर्मन लैंग्वेज में हमेशा ध्यान रखिए, यूनिट नंबर वी विल प्लेस फर्स्ट एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल ऐड द टेंस डिजिट. सो हियर वी आर हैविंग 13 is equals to 3 plus 10. 3 here we know drei. 10 is sane. So when we combine 3 and 10, it will be drei plus sane, that is drei sane. Okay? Similarly 14 we are having. So 14 को we can write 4 plus 10. 4 is here fia. 10 is sane. So 4 plus 10, fia plus sane, it is equal to fia sane. Similarly, we can have other numbers also, like 15, fünf sane, 6, 16, sechs sane, 17, sieb sane, 18, acht sane, 19, neun sane, 20, 20. 20 is 20. Again repeating, 20 is 20. Now, point to be noted here. 16 and 17. Remember, what is 6? 6 is sechs. But here it is sechzehn. So here the S is omitted. Here I am writing the S is omitted. 6 को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Zex. But जब आप 16 मेंशन करते हैं तो Zechsane नहीं होता, it is Zechsane. So ये जो S होता है वो omit हो जाता है. ठीक है? Similarly 7 को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं कि 7 is known as Siebenzehn. तो 7 here is known as Sieben. तो now what we do 17 के केस में Zipsane. जब हम Zipsane बोलेंगे तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा, जो en होता है वो कट जाता है, that is it vanishes. And 20 is 20. Now अगर हम 20 से लेकर अब 30 तक अपनी काउंटिंग देखें, 20 to 30, okay? 21 you write as 1 plus 20. So it is ein und 20. Remember, it is here this und, it is known as und, and it is means and. It means and. Okay? So 1 plus 20, ein und 20. 22, 2 plus 20, zwei und 20. 23, drei und 20. 24, vier und 20. 25, fünf und 20. 26, sechs und 20. 27, sieben und 20. Remember again 16 and 17. 16 S is omitted, 17 en is omitted. But when we are writing it is 26, 27, it is 6 und 20. 7 und 20. Similarly, 28 you can have 8 und 20. 29 you can have 9 und 20. But for the 30 it is 30. Here this is known to be as asset. सिंबल क्या है ये? एज इन बीटा है ना, जैसे हम लोग मैथमेटिक्स में फिजिक्स में बीटा यूज करते हैं. इट इज नोन टू बी एज एसेट एंड इट इज प्रोनाउंस्ड एज अ शार्प साउंड ऑफ डबल एस इन जर्मन लैंग्वेज एस. सो इट इज ड्राइसिग. ड्राइसिग. ओके ओके फ्रेंड्स, सो up to we have done 20, okay, 30 we have seen. Now similarly 10 is known as 10, 20 20, 30 30, 40 40, 50 50, 60 60, 70 70, 80 80, 90 90, 100 100. Number of times 100 you will find only 100. So, or you can write 100 100. You can also write 200 200, 300 300. So up to 900 you can write 900. Now example how we can write this. 44. Again this will come first, Fia und 40. Okay na? So as we all know that 44 it can be written as 4 plus 40. So 4 Fia und 40 40. 67 7 first, 7 60 60. So 67 7 und 60. 92 similarly zwei is for this 2 und 90. Since you can write it as 2 plus 90. So 2 is zwei, 90 is 90. Thank you very much for watching this video and I hope so that it will be useful to you. Please like and subscribe it and hit the bell icon. Thank you very much.